Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Eunice. Again, it's the same packaging as usual. So let's go ahead and get into what I got today. So the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, and then so literally that's the first thing on top, and then there's also a goodie bag. All right, so let's see what those are. I got a pair of HD wig caps. All right, I got a whole set of press-ons. These are like some pink French tips. I got a branded elastic headband. And lastly, the wig. So now let's go ahead, jump into it. This is what we're working with. This is Unice Black Mix Brown Highlight Short Wavy Bob. And it's the Bye Bye Knots Glueless Wig Construction. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut, bleach knots. It's a 7x5 HD lace closure, ready to wear and go. Okay, and it's a shoulder length bob. It's 14 inches long, by the way. So I was showing you guys that inside it does have that curve area at the sides there to accommodate the shape of your ear. It has an elastic band. It has a loops for the adjustable elastic band on the inside, and it's, as I said, bleach knots. Really good, and it's a medium cap size as well. So I just went ahead and slipped that on. As you can see, it looks so good. I honestly didn't have to really do much with camouflaging this because it already looks so good once I slipped it on. As you can see, all I went in to do is take off the tiniest bit in the front, which you're gonna see, but I'm just like, you know, arranging everything so the hair isn't in the way. So I got my clips to do so, and I just, you know, took my time and took off the extra bit of lace that had on absolutely no hair strands.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
Once I'm done with that, I get my powder and I tap that into the parts that are left that are a little casty, and it just blends right away. Really easy, very to the point, no adhesive needed, very convenient. This wig is also so perfect for summertime. As I said, it's a bob. As you can see, the texture too makes it really easy. It's not super high maintenance because, you know, it's a nice wavy texture, so you don't have to worry about straightening or curling it. You literally can just you know add a little water or so to it to redefine the waves, and you're good to go. And you'll see me finessing it in just a bit. I'll pretty much just continue to kind of like play with it, you know, to further get it to my liking. I did work on the parting a little bit more and just the top of the wig to make it look a little flatter, because you know I love when my wigs are flat, don't like when they're bulky. Before I went in with my hot comb, I showed you guys the parting space. As I said, it's a 7x5, so you do have a lot of space to work with if you want to switch up the style of your wig. So feel free to go ahead and explore with all the space that this closure has. All right, that's amazing. So I'm just gonna, you know, play some music over this portion. It's pretty self-explanatory. Kind of just fluff the hair and it looks so good, so good. Had to run through the lace right there again just to show you that it's completely glueless, no adhesive whatsoever. I love it. The body, the fullness, everything is really nice. The only thing is I wish it shedded a little less, and the parts that I see most when I run my fingers through it, I was showing you guys the strands that I got from it, are really the processed portions. As you can see, it's highlighted, so those are the portions I realize I get, like the strands I get mostly from it. I hope that, you know, that they can fix that over time with the shedding. But yeah, so I've moved on with applying some water, just water, to the hair to kind of redefine those waves a little bit more. And that was pretty much it. Super easy and very minimal effort in making this wig look really good. So you guys know the drill. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so you can go ahead, check it out. The specifications and everything will be listed. Shout out to Eunice Hair once more for today's gorgeous bob. Any other detail that you might need to check, that will be listed down below. So yeah, go ahead, do that. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.